So, good morning to all of you guys. It's afternoon, of course. Yeah, let me see how many people join over here. Please, am I audible to everyone? Please drop yes inside the chat section. If I'm audible to everyone, please drop. Good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. Yeah, am I audible? Yes. Okay, so yeah, I can see a lot of people joining now. We'll give 5 minutes to join each and every one, guys. Come on, join. Yeah, already I have given information on WhatsApp group too, guys. WhatsApp group too, guys. Yes. Definitely, Rajiv Kumar ji. Good morning. Good morning, Kirtan. Good morning, Jyoti ji. Good morning, Prerna Kulkarni. Good morning, all of you guys. Vikas, I can see a lot of people join here and everyone is dropping good morning. Yes. So thank you very much for being with us today. And you are here because you want to do something in your life. You want to learn something in your life extraordinary. You want to become extraordinary in your life. And that's why you guys are here. I knew that. Okay. So, yeah, thank you very much. I'm very excited to start this batch. And you, if you are excited, then drop E inside the chat section, guys. Come on. If you are excited to learn Power BI in depth from beginners to advanced, then drop E inside the chat section. That's it. I don't want you to type a lot more text content inside the chat. You just focus on the screen what I'm going to tell you. And yeah, I can see everyone is excited. So with that being said, we are going to start, but let all the people join first. Okay. So let me tell you some sort of rule again because already I've informed you on WhatsApp group that we have some sort of rule about the batch. First of all, that yeah, some people are joining. Good morning again, guys. And it's afternoon. Yeah, I know that it's 12 noon. So we can say good afternoon. Okay. So 1 minute, 2 minutes before it was morning, but now it's good afternoon and good afternoon to all of you guys. Praveen Yadav is also there. Dipti Shri, Naeed ji. Yeah, good morning, all of you guys. So yeah, everyone is super energetic. I think so. We are going to supposed to start at 12:05 because a lot of people are joining still. And I don't want anybody should miss the introduction part of Power BI, introduction part of our lecture. And that's why we are going to take 1 or 2 minutes to join everyone. Okay, before going ahead, let me ask you one question. What is your profession, guys? What are you doing currently in your life? So, are you a student or a teacher? You just put down inside the chat section, who are you, right? Just let's know each other because you all guys already know about me, but I want to know about you also. That's why I'm asking you question. And this is the fully interactive batch. Regularly I'm going to meet you on every day, almost every day. That's why I'm asking you these questions. At least I should know who you are, right? Are you a student or teacher or working professional? I can see here Pratha Sinha, a working professional. Good morning, ji. Then good afternoon, I can say right now. Okay, Deepak Jain, good afternoon, teacher. Then Jyoti, she's doing MBA, I think so. Patil, Jyoti Patil. Okay, Jyoti Gauda Patil. Okay, welcome. Then Sayada Kamani, student. Then Jyoti Joshi, student. Himani Patel, student. Sham Sundar, working. Then Saurabh Erne. Sir, can we get recording? Of course, you will get the recording of each and every sessions, but there is some sort of rule about the recording again. I'll let you know. I'll jump to that one again. We'll go ahead and we'll understand the rules of and regulations of this badge. Don't worry about it. But just let me call out the name of the people while the other people are joining right now. So yeah, welcome again. So Girish Thakur, retail professional. Okay. Anup Varam, student, and then Deepti Shri, students. Girish Patil, okay, social work practitioner. Yeah. Sabha Praveen, student. Puneet Goyal, professor. Karishma Kumari, student. Praveen Yadav, working professional. Mohammad Junaid, student. Naina, working professional. Then Bigu Singh, student. Shekhar, working as HR. Pragya, data analyst. Wow, very good. Pragya Jain is with us. She is a data analyst. And then Pawan Pawar, student. Abhishek Gupta, student. Okay. Yash Sudhal Sudhwalkar, MIS. Okay. So a lot of people, yeah. Uh, of course, I'm not able to read each and every one name, but a lot of people here, and they wanted to learn Power BI in depth, in detail, and that's why you guys are here. That's why you guys are here. Let me come to into the center of the camera. I think so. I was not in a center. Now I am in a center. I think so. The name is not correct over there. In let me give me a few seconds to change the name of. Aman sir, can you change the name inside the Zoom? I think Saddam sir name is display over there on my profile. Mm, okay, let me check it out. Is there any setting to change right now the name? Of course, you guys know my name. Yeah, here it is. I'm getting setting. I think so. Previously, Saddam sir, I changed the name. That's why it is there. No, I'm not able to change from my end. Aman sir, if you could make it, please take. Yeah, I'll just try it again. In my case, it is showing Satish. Okay, see. No problem. Okay, it will change or whatever. Ignore that one, guys. Okay, so now it's time to start. I think so. Everyone has joined, and let me put down the chat in a disable mode because you guys should focus on screen and why we are here. Let me focus again here. But before starting, as usual, I always tell the rule of the batches. Then here is some sort of rule of the batches, and rules are very simple. If you attending on a live basis, then only you are liable for getting recordings, guys. So you only get the recording when you are like you are live in the batch. Okay, so one thing that you have to like always consider that you should be live on everyday basis. Okay, second thing, you can practice along with us if you have laptop. If you can sit along with your laptop, then this is even better because you can practice along with me. And no worry if you are not like able to sit laptop along with me, then you can like watch that continue lessons, live lessons. And uh yeah, just give me a seconds. I'll just silent everything. Yeah. Oh guys, give me 1 seconds there. Something is urgent. Yeah, 1 seconds. I'll just hold on, and I'll just. Sorry guys, there was something like in next month actually I was having training in the Kolkata. I will be having a training in the Kolkata next month. So that's why there was like, yeah, they are asking about the flight booking, and that's why it was urgent. So yeah, sorry. And let's go ahead and continue now. That I was telling about the rule about batch. So what was the rule that you have to attend on regular basis? First thing, first thing first, that if you are regular with this batch, then only you can understand what is going on inside the batches right now. And if you are not attending, like somehow there may be a, like something problem is going on in your life, and if you're not able to attend any, like any particular day, just watch the recording to synchronize with us, right? So you have to watch the recording on that day. If you miss any lecture, unfortunately, if me you know if you are like not able to attend that particular lecture, so you can watch the recording. And we are going to send recording on your email, guys. So stay active on email, because we are not going to provide a recording in any portal or something like that. We are going to share that recording on your email. So you have to be active on your email, as well as you have to active on that WhatsApp group, where we are going to put every and now and then any instructions, like canceling against the batch. Suppose if there is something urgency, and if I'm not able to conduct the batch, then I will inform you in that group. So stay active on that. Okay. And 12 to 1 is a batch. And second thing, this batch will be conducted in English language for the English user only. So don't ask me even like, sir, can you explain in Hindi? So this is only for the English user, guys. And that's why like some of people will not understand if I speak in Hindi. So that I already mentioned you, and I have already conducted the batches for Hindi users previously. So now it's time to conduct for the English users, and because there are a lot of requests, and that's why I have started this batch finally. So yeah, that's the some sort of basic rules about the batch that I have explained you. And now it's time to start. Almost, I think so. Everyone is joined, and this is just introduction part. But before moving ahead, let me ask you one more question, there, guys. Which part of the country you have joined from here? Like you have state. Mention your state or city name inside the chat section. Go ahead. Yes. I'll do that, Aman sir. Don't worry. It's not big deal. I think so. I'll leave it. Okay, I can see a lot of people from different region of India, and yeah, yeah. I can see. Just scroll up and let me. Okay, okay. So Nilesh Russell from Mumbai, then Kushal Pandey from Mumbai, Surjit Ghosh from Kolkata, and then Sweetie from Delhi, Abdul Salim from UAE. Wow. Okay. So Saida Kamani from Maharashtra, Pavitra God from Pune, Amar Kar from West Bengal, Amit Kumar from Delhi, Abhishek from Mumbai, then Divya Soni from Delhi, Faisal Khan, Hyderabad, Rohit Ujjain, Bhopal, MP. Okay. So a lot of people, Sonal Singh, Telangana, and I can see every, like from every state, almost every state of India, the people are with us, guys. And thank you very much for joining for this particular Power BI batch. Okay. So now, yeah, discussion. We'll stop our discussion now, and we'll move to our today's topic. That is what Power BI. But first questions. Let me take a few questions on Power BI. First question is, what is Power BI? Because uh, like a lot of people maybe here, they they like completely unknown with the Power BI, right? And just let me know out of curiosity that how many of people don't know about the Power BI. Just put down N. Don't know about the Power BI, and they want to learn it, but just put down N to explain me about what. A lot of people dropping N. Yeah, rest of the people, I know that you know that, that's why you are not putting. And yeah, a lot of people don't know about the Power BI. And let's go ahead with this question, guys. Yeah, got it. So let's go ahead with this question. Here is the definition you can see on a screen. Power BI is a set of tools. Basically, this is not a single tool. It is a set of tools that help you to turn different types of data into clear, interactive, and visual insights. I've just written a definitions in a very simple manner over here. So Power BI is not a single tool. Basically, it has different tools inside the Power BI. Microsoft Power BI is a business intelligence tools, basically package of business intelligence tools, we can say. Okay. And it helps you to get the interactive informations and visual insights from your data. Your data can come from Excel file or various other sources like SQL. It may be from Oracle server. It may be from like CSV file, PDF file, a notepad file. So your data can be like imported in very like various other sources, like 100 plus data sources. You can import it by putting it direct connectivity, or else directly imported. There is different methods. I'll let you know in the later on. We are going to see what is direct import and what is what is import query, and what is how to create connections between data. That I'm going to tell you later on this particular course. So don't worry about it. So Power BI allows you to easily connect to these data sources, create visuals to see what's important, and share the insights with others. This is this very simple, concise definition about Power BI. Power BI basically helps you to get insight from data, and not only insight, it also help you to make that insights into the actionable formats. So what do I mean actionable formats? Let me explain this one. Suppose your boss asks you to that, like, find out the category wise sales, and you did it. But now your boss asks you to find out category wise profit as well. And your boss asks you find out only one category profit and sales, or else only one product category or order quantity order. So these are the different kinds of actions that you have to like apply on data, and then only you can get the insights. And Power BI allows you to do that. As per your requirement, you can find out insights from your data with the help of Power BI. But the Power BI is not a single tool that I already mentioned. It has a collection of tools. And of course, I'm going to tell you what are the tools included in the Power BI that we are going to see uh, next in this particular sessions only, in this first live introduction lecture only. Okay. So before moving ahead, let me show you the data. Now look over here. This is the kind of data which will be available in your Excel file. This is just a screenshot of Excel file right now. But this data can be available in SQL Server. I already told you this can be available in Oracle. This can be available in text, PDF, and like so many different sources. Now, your task or your boss asks you to get insights from data, but because you cannot find out any kind of insights from this data, look over there now. These are only the text and numbers. Anybody cannot find out the information from by looking only this particular data, because you will be jumbling like, what kind of data is this. Like you are able to read the column headings only, but it's really difficult to find out how many countries or how many states are available inside the state columns, and what are the what is the exactly sales according to state cities. It is really difficult to find out because the states are repeated, city are repeated, and data, it is like that. And maybe it's just a data. Maybe there is something like data, there will be a raw things inside your data, like blank rows, or maybe missing values, or sometimes in your data the headers is missing. That sometimes in your data headers having duplicate values in your unique columns. Like suppose in order ID, maybe there some orders are repeated again. So in order to do that, you need to clean that data. You have to remove the duplicate. You have to change the date format according to your requirement. You may have to remove the blank rows and missing value. You have to deal with the missing values. These are the things you have to do with the data, and then only you can get the insights. Okay. So first of all, I would like to tell you that this data, and this is just a sample data that I'm telling you, and this is not the only for 45 rows. It may be like lakhs of data. And you can tell, sir, I can use the Power BI, I can use a Power Pivot inside Excel to get the insights from this data. Of course, you can get the insights from this data using Excel Pivot table or Power Pivot option. But thing is that in Excel, you can only the manage data, like which is small company data, like it has around 10,000, 20,000, or maybe 1 lakh. So yeah, Excel has the capacity to enter data around 10 lakh 48,576. You may know that Excel has a rows around 10 lakh 48,576. But the problem is that if you enter a complete data in Excel, like 10 lakh data, Excel will not able you to enter, will not allow you to enter a single formula, because it is going to be hanged, because Excel will not work on that such large amount of data. And that's why the Power BI comes into the picture, right? Power BI will work on large amount of data, and not only on single table. Power BI will work on multiple tables. Take an example, take a consideration. In your company, there may be 10 tables, 10 different tables for every records. Go down, a table is different, then return table is different, then sales table is different, because every table has their some sort of data and the you need to do one thing. You have to prepare report on these particular 10 tables. Now there is one more thing that you have to do, that is modeling, that we are going to jump on that also. But here it is on this data. I just want to tell you, if boss asks you to get the insights like this, he asks you find out the top 5 states revenue. Then he also asks you bottom 5 states revenue. The next question is country wise profit. The next question is sales as per region, and so many questions like this, guys. So it's really difficult to find out answer of these questions without pulling this data inside the Power BI, right? And that's why we are going to use this Power BI. And like if someone asks you these questions like Anna, suppose take an example of Anna, you know that Anna, South Pareshan Anna. Okay. So he's confused. Oh, how to do it now? Because I don't know, what to do to get the insight from this data. And this data is around like 10 lakh rows. So Excel may not help you to get the insight from this data. So what to do now and how to do it? This is the question of Pareshan Anna. And these questions may be in your mind. And that's why the Power BI came into the picture. Again, I'm going to tell you this insights. You can see this is the dashboard that we can create inside the Power BI, and we can find the relation or informations or insights from our data, we can say. Look over here on a screen now. I'm showing you another dashboard. Here it is. You are getting total sales of your company, not just sales. Also, you're getting profit, total quantity in transaction. And this is just not a hardcore value. It is a dynamic KPIs. This is called KPIs, basically key performance indicator. These indicators will change according to your selection. Means if you select the second class, it will automatically change. If you select the standard class, second class, first class, whatever you can select from this chart, these values, these KPIs will reflect the values according to your selection. And this is the beauty of Power BI. I'll show you practically how it is going to reflect according to your selection. But this is just a sample that I'm showing you. If you show these insights to your boss, like these dashboards to your boss, and then definitely he will getting like, oh my God, you like, because you have fetched everything that required in term of like business analytics. And then boss will be definitely impressed. Oh, you have done a really great job. He is like, yeah, I'm getting every insights from like consumer type, corporate wise, home office wise, everything. And this is what your job inside the Power BI. Okay, got it. So that is what I wanted to tell you. What is your job basically inside the Power BI? But you got it so far. What is your job inside the Power BI? Just let me know inside the chat section. Drop it yes. Okay. Yeah. Yes, got it. So basically, your job is to turn data, raw data, into the clean format first, and then get insights from data using Power BI. And this is your work. But the question is there again, why only Power BI? Why not other BI tool? Because there are a lot of BI tools in the market. And why we are using only Power BI? So this is the questions in your mind. And then let me answer this question with this particular, uh, we can say, chart, or we can say this kind of the things that we can find out why Power BI. In 2018, I think so, almost 2000, from 2016, Power BI came into the picture. And in 2018, it was here at the position with the other BI tool. See, the Tableau was the leading tool in those days. Basically, in those days, Tableau was the leading tool in a BI section, means business intelligence tool section. And Microsoft is like comparing with Tableau. And now in 2024, you can see this is the report of Gartner company, which basically review on different applications. So this is exactly result they are like putting in front of you. Basically, 2024, they have generated that the Microsoft Power BI is far more ahead than other BI tool. Whether it is Qlik, whether it is Tableau, Microsoft Power BI is too ahead. And that's why we are using Power BI. And again, there are simple reasons. Microsoft Power BI is very familiar with their Microsoft tools like Excel. We can integrate seamlessly with Excel. We can clean data with the help of Power Query. We can do Power Pivot. And these are the tools that we almost use on a daily basis in our regular work. And that's why Power BI is popular nowadays. And again, Power BI, there is no single reason it has popular. The charge according to charges, then the report preparations and the Power BI services. These are the things that really impressive for all the companies, and that's why everyone is moving towards the Power BI now. And now let's understand the components that I told you. This is a package of BI tool, and this is the package of different tools. And what we are having inside the Power BI, the components of Power BI. Power BI includes Power Query, Power Pivot, Power View, and Power BI services. Now, for let's understand one by one. First of all, there is Power Query. Do you know Power Query? How many of you heard about the Power Query? Just let me know inside the chat section, guys. How many of you heard about the Power Query? Drop yes if you heard about the Power Query. Come on, drop yes. So I can see, yeah, everyone is dropping. A lot of people dropping that they know about the Power Query, and few people also dropping no. So don't worry about this. This is very crucial tool if there is a transformation needed in your data. What do I mean transformation? Suppose take an example, you got the data that I already previously explained that uh, if you like there is a task. If you want to become a data analyst or something like Power BI developer, then you have to like uh, make research, or you have to understand the data first. That I wanted to tell you. And data may be not in a clean format. If you download data from some sort of server like a SQL server, or maybe it is MongoDB server and like that. So if you download data from MongoDB database and SQL server, and you could find out the data will be there is a lot of problems with the data. Means I told you previously that there may be a blank rows, there may be a date format in a different format, like it could be in a DD, it could be in a MMDDYY format, that is in US, US format, and maybe year will become at the first position in a date, and sometimes inside the country or inside the state also you are getting like sometimes spelling mistakes or maybe missing values, and you have to deal with this kind of data. But the problem is that you can deal this data with the help of Excel also, because Excel has too many options to do and deal with the data. You can remove the blank rows by using go to spatial, and all these things you can do with the Excel. But the problem is that every now and then what is our basic problem? Every now and then we are going to update our data, and when we are updating data, again we have to apply that steps inside the Excel, whatever the steps we have previously applied to clean the data. Suppose you have applied uh, go to spatial steps to remove the blank rows from the Excel, then you have to again apply that steps if you add some new data inside your Excel file, right? And that is the main biggest problem with the Excel while cleaning data in Excel. Okay. But if you use the Power Query, which is again the tool, which is also inside the Power Excel, and also we can access that tool from the Power BI. This is not a separate software. Always remember, this is not a separate top software. This tool is available Excel as well as Power BI. Okay. So you can directly jump this onto this tool, or you can directly pull this data into Power Query by using your Excel file, or whether it is Notepad file, whether it is PDF file. You can also import data from website uh, using this Power Query basically. Okay. And this tool is also given in Excel. Let me show you where it is available inside Excel, because a lot of people saying inside the chat section they don't know about the Power Query. So here it is, the Power Query tool. If you are using a new version of Excel, like if you have 2016, 2019, and 2021, then you could find out this tool. Okay. Inside data tab, and here it is, your Power Query tool. This is the Power Query tool, get and transform data. The name of this tool is basically, this is the tab inside the Excel, and if you click on this particular option, that is from table or range, you can directly redirect to Power Query window. So Power Query will help you to clean data. I'll later on explain you how you can clean the data inside Power Query, because it is a large tool again, and we are going to see the practically how we can clean our data with the help of Power Query. Also, I'm going to tell you how it is beneficial than Excel, because it will allow you to apply the steps, and once you apply the particular steps on data, you don't have to apply that steps again and again. It is kind of automation format inside the Excel. Okay, and that we are going to see later on. Okay, but first of all, just understand Power Query is the ETL tool. ETL means extract the data from different sources, whether it is on website, whether it is in your notepad file, whether it is in your PDF file, or it is in Excel file, right? So you can extract data from that sources, and then you can make a transformation on the data transformation that I told you. If you want to remove the blank rows, or if you want to change some sort of values inside that particular data, you can change it with help of this particular ETL tool. That is what extract, transform, and load. And then again, it will help you to load this data into the Power BI, as well as you can load back to the Excel also. Okay. And it also help you that, let me tell you one more example about the Power Query. Suppose take an example, if you have a data of around 40 lakhs inside your notepad file. Of course, this 40 lakh rows will not be we cannot put this data inside the Excel directly. It cannot fit it into the Excel, because Excel has only 10 lakh rows. Now you are having that data inside the notepad file. That is what, around uh, 40 lakh data, that we can say 4 million data. And now your task is to create a pure table inside Excel using Power Query. Yes, you can do it directly. You cannot import data inside the Excel from Notepad. Okay. But if you use the Power Query, you can import that 40 lakh data into the pure table format by using Power Query. And you can literally prepare a pure table using Power Query. And that is the beauty of Power Query. Again, Power Query work on large amount of data. It will help you to create pure table in Excel using their different kinds of tools and different kind of automations. Okay, this is about the Power Query. Now let's move to the let's jump to the next tool, that is Power Pivot. Okay, what is Power Pivot? This is again also available in Excel, but uh, like some of you may have gone with this particular tool, or some of you maybe completely don't know about this tool. So let me tell you where it is available inside Excel. Just let me open my Excel file again, and I'll show you where it is available in Excel. Okay, just give me a second again. Let me open it. Yeah, here it is Excel. Now we don't have Power Pivot over here, but you can access it by right clicking on this particular, any of this particular tab. Right click on it and say customize the ribbon first. And then you are getting, here it is add-ins options. So inside add-ins, click on com add-ins, select the com add-ins and then go. And then here it is, you are getting Microsoft Power Pivot for Excel. Here is the option. You can switch on from here, and already it is switch on from here. So you can go one thing, or do one thing, right click. I think so. This is available inside the my pivot table rule. If you switch on from there, add-ins option, then you will get inside here. Here it is Power Pivot, and I'll just enable this one. Now look over here. It is here. Power Pivot is available. So what is Power Pivot? Now this is again additional tool inside the Excel, and it is also like most of the time you are using this tool inside the Power BI. If you are having multiple tables inside in your data, basically, suppose take an example. This is a CMart company data which has order table, different, like order table has these are the fields, then orders has different fields, then again there is a people table, and there are again returns tables. So these are the different tables particular related to particular company. So now your task is to find out region wise sales, or else your task to find out customer name wise or country wise sales. But the country is located over here inside the orders table, and sales is located inside the another table, means another sheet. There may be a different sheets in your Excel. So now it is really difficult to find out the sales, like country-wise sales or city-wise sales, because these are the two different tables in your Excel. There may be a two different sheets in your Excel. So you have to make some sort of relationship, and that relationship allows inside the pivot, Power Pivot. Power Pivot allow you to create relationship between table, Power pivot basically allow you to create modeling between table. This is called a modeling. And there are different kinds of relationship inside the table. There is like one to many cardinalities, many to many cardinalities. There is also filter flow. So later on, I'm going to explain you what is this mean by one. What is this particular one over here? Why this one over here, and why this is star over here, and why this arrow is like showing over here. Basically, this is called filter flow. So why this filter flow is from this table to this table. So later on, I'm going to explain you about these particular things, because there is a fact table and dimensions table, two different types of tables. We have to like identify it. And this is what the power pivot basically. Power pivot help you to make the relationship between the tables and get insights from your data. Right? Of course, you want to find out countrywide sales, then citywide sales, but the sales is available in another table that I already told you, and the country is available in another table. If you made some sort of relation between them, then only you will able to fetch the data according to your requirement. Okay, and that's why Power Pivot is very important while learning Power BI. Okay, so now let's move to the next tool. Uh, that is a Power View. This is called a Power View. I just mentioned a name over here. This is called Power View, where we can make our dashboards. Okay, we can visualize our chart. We can add different kinds of visualization and make like your chart visible to everyone. So this is what Power View. This is called a Power View basically. And the next tool, that is Power BI service. Power BI service, it's again paid tool. Remember, this is a paid tool. If you are student, so don't worry about it. You don't have to pay any single rupees for the Power BI learn to Power BI basically, because Power BI desktop is completely free. You can download inside your laptop and you can practice on it directly, because it has given you almost every options. You can access it freely. But while publishing your report online, you need to purchase Power BI services. And this is for the companies. This is for the like companies, those who are looking to publish their report online, those who are looking to share that reports with stakeholders, with clients, with seniors. And that's why they are charging $10 on monthly basis. Also, we need to have a business email ID to get the Power BI service. What do I mean by business email ID? Again, if you're working in a TCS, so TCS will offer you a business email ID. If you're a senior in TCS, so say TCS will offer you a business email ID. Suppose take a example, your name is Ganesh, then ganesh@tcs.com. This is called a business email ID. You cannot log in on Power BI services, or you cannot create your account on Power BI services with the help of Gmail account and Gmail email ID. Always remember. Okay. So you need to have a business email ID. And in order to get the email ID, you need to have a domain again. Domain means tcs.com, just like skillcoach.com, satishdhawale.com. So I have, these are the domains. So you need to have a domain, then only you can like able to access this Power BI service. But what is the use of this Power BI service? Let me show you right now. If you are having Power BI service account, I have a Power BI service account. Basically, I have a business email ID too. And that's why I would like to show you. If you have a Power BI service account, then you can publish your report like this. And even you can share this particular link with your colleagues, senior stakeholders, or whatever, like peoples. I'm just sharing with you right now. You can go ahead and check it out right now on your desktop. This is a complete interactive dashboard. This is not just an image, guys. What do I mean by interactive? If I click anywhere on this particular slicer, you will find out the result. Look at there. You will find out, oh, this slicer is also working. Look at there. You're getting result like tier one. I would like to see the report of tier one cities, and I'm able to see. I would like to see the tier two cities report. So look at here. So I have shared the link in the description. Just go into that link. Just click on that link, I mean to say. And I will ask you some questions on that link. Let's go ahead. Let me know how many people can answer that question. Just click on that link right now. Once you click it, you can see it is also portable. Like you can open it on mobile as well as desktop. So no worries about it. So go ahead and open it. Done. Just let me know inside the chat section. Open, put down, open inside the chat section if you did it. Some people's, okay. Yeah, few people are saying no. Not opening. I don't know. Video is stuck. It shouldn't be stuck actually. Everything is proper. I think so. Let me check it out. No, not at all. Everything is properly. I just cross check and everything is working and everyone is able to open the link actually. A lot of people able to open. Okay. So those, yeah, it is working right. Okay. Okay. So now, yeah, look over here. I would like to ask the question. Let me know from this particular data. Uh, let's see, like how many people can answer this particular answer. I have given you a dashboard. This is a completely interactive dashboard. You just have to do one thing. I'm going to tell you a question, then you have to find out that insight from this dashboard only. You don't have to, don't worry about like, you don't have to create the dashboard because dashboard is in front of you. Just have to click a proper filter. I would like to see the sales of, just let me know the sales, total sales of 2024. Total sales of 2024. Just put down inside the chat section because I'm going to allow you the chat section as a panelist and nobody can see each other answer. Your answer is coming to directly me. Let me see how many people are dropping correct answer. Because I have given you a dashboard. I just want to know the 2024 sales. Sales of 2024. Okay. Very good. I can see a lot of people dropping answer. Mohammed the Tansin. Okay. Sushant Sakpal dropping answer, but I don't know whether it is correct or not because I'm going to show you and you guys just drop the answer. I'll just show you the correct answer. Don't worry about it. Sushant Sakpal dropping answer, Mohan Krishna dropping answer, Akanksha Chavan dropping answer, Mangesh Dutt dropping answer, Mahavir Dagade dropping answer, Puneet Goel dropping answer, Anuj Chavan dropping answer, Abhishek, Abhishek, Yashaj, Renuka, then Abdul, Wahid, then Shantanu, Prasad, Naid, Harish, Deepak, Amit Das, Rahul. Okay, lot of people, lot more. Okay, I can see, yes, chat is going and going on and on, on and on. Like, let me off the chat now. Yes, so I was asking about the 2024 and let's see. I'm going to click on 2024 and the sales of 2024 is this one. Okay. So the sales of I was asking only for 2024, not other filters, but a lot of people dropping like it's 1.20 million sales. This is a total or overall sales, guys. If I click on 2024 filter, then only I'll get the 2024. And those who are dropping 289.74, these are the people are correct. Okay. Suresh, I can say Suresh Kuate. And the next Ashwini, then Naveen, I think so. Yeah, Naveen is correct. Lot of people, like a lot of people dropping correct, and few people are like they are dropping 1.20 millions. So guys, just correct yourself that in order to get the proper insights as per your requirement, you need to click on that particular slicer. These are the called slicer. This is KPI. These are the different visuals, right? Visuals like line chart, bar chart, pie chart, donut chart, then table visual. These are the visuals. Okay, we are going to understand that one. But this is just a sample that I told you. This is what Power BI service. Okay, I was telling about the Power BI service, and this is what Power BI services. Power BI services help you. What it will help you? It will help you to publish your report online. And we are understanding each and everything's about the Power BI. I don't want to teach you directly. Just open the Power BI and let's start do it and let's start it because there are few people those who don't know about the what is Power Query and then what is Power Pivot and what is Power BI service and what is Power View. That's why I'm telling you guys each and everything in a detailed way. Okay, so so far I told you lot of things. So everything is clear, guys. Drop it. See inside the chat section. Come on, guys. Drop it. See. Is it clear? This is just a theory part of Power BI. In order to learn Power BI, you should know the components of Power BI. You should know what is Power BI. You should know why we are using Power BI. And that's why I just went through these of the options. And yeah, okay. I think I'm able to like explain you in a proper way. Yes, Prem Singh, good afternoon. Okay, by the way, let's jump to the next topic and let's dive into the practical sessions right now. Because in but this particular today's video, I would like to tell you first, you need to download Power BI Desktop. And in order to download Power BI Desktop, here it is a screenshot. Of course, I'm going to provide you the practice file related to today's session, that whatever I've shown in or on a screen right just away, then I'm going to share that PDF with you. So don't worry about it. Everything will be in a PDF and you are getting, of course, free. You don't have to do any kind of efforts for that. I'll just send you through an or on your email, or else I'll drop a link over here to download it. Okay. So don't worry. So here it is. I would like to tell you how to download and install. You just open your Microsoft Store. I would like to show you practically. I already downloaded it, but I'll still, here it is. I would like to show you the practical. Here it is my Microsoft Microsoft Store. And I'm going to search Power BI Desktop inside the Microsoft Store. Once you search it and hit enter, you'll get this Power BI Desktop option and download it from you. I will recommend you to download it from Microsoft Store, because there is another way you can download it from. Again, I'll just show you. Let me open the Chrome browser. You can download it from Google also. Power BI Desktop download. You can search it here. Power BI Desktop download. And here it is. You can click on this particular link. I think so. This one is enough. It will allow you to change the languages. I'll go to this link directly. Yeah. No, this is not Power BI. Okay. This is the link. I think so. It should give a direct link to download it. It has given here. But again, it will be uh, Power BI platform. It should get you a direct link, but I'll not recommend to download from this link, because like if there is update in your Power BI, this particular download file will not allow you to directly update. If you download from Power BI store, Microsoft Store, I mean to say, then it will definitely help you to update your Power BI automatically. Okay. So you can mention the version also, but you don't need to mention it. I think so. Power BI. It has given the option over here, but it shows the language, and I think so you can download. Okay, yeah, you can download from here also. There is a directly download options previously given, but it has given a language options also. You can turn out this page into the different language, but this is not for the Power BI language basically. So download, and here it is your option. So Power BI desktop setup, you can download it here, and you can download it especially 64-bit. But this is not recommended options again, guys. Because why? If you download from Microsoft Store, it will help you to automatically update. Whenever there is a new update by Microsoft, it will automatically update your Power BI. Like other products are updated by Microsoft, then it will be automatically updated. So that's why I recommended you to click here. It is the install option. You will get it and download it, or you will get the get option. Click on that get option, and then that's it. So once you download it, just let me know inside, and just put inside the chat section D downloaded. If you are practice along with me, just put down D downloaded. Those who are download, just put down D inside the chat section, because I just want to go with you guys, and this should be a complete hand holding session. That's why you have to download with me. Okay. Yeah, I can see a lot of people saying downloaded. Very good. Few people are saying, yeah, no problem at all. If you are watching this particular session on mobile, don't worry about it. We are going to give you a recording, and you can practice this particular session on later on. You can practice on this particular session. So don't worry about it. So this is just about the download Power BI. Few people are saying, yes, downloading start. Yeah, no problem. It will download. Once you download, let's understand the Power BI interface. I would like to start the Power BI first. Here it is. I'm going to start the Power BI. Let's understand the interface now. So this is a basic lecture. So I don't want to miss any particular session. I am considering you are guys are beginners. I don't want to jump directly on Power BI inside and let's create a dashboard, fancy dashboard. I don't want to teach directly. I want you to understand each and everything about Power BI, and then only we'll jump to the little bit advanced and then next session. Okay. So here it is our Power BI window. You can see over on my screen. This is a welcome screen basically. If you have older version of Power BI, then this like welcome screen will not be appear in your older version. So I will recommend you keep go and update your Power BI. Okay. So here it is. Once you start Power BI, you'll get welcome screen. In welcome screen, here you can find out different sources to get data from different sources. So if you want to get the data from Excel or SQL server, you can get it from here. Or else, I recommend you to click on blank report because just we are looking a Power BI screen right now. We don't want to import data right now, and that's why we are going to click on blank report. Here it is also your recent dashboard that I have created. Every now and then I used to create a lot of dashboard inside the Power BI. Even my business dashboard is also created over here. So yes, and yeah, here it is. You can see Excel crash course dashboards. This is my business dashboard, interactive dashboard, globals. There are some different kinds of dashboard also. So this is what I would like to tell you. This is a Power BI welcome screen where you can find out these are the options. Now just click on the blank report. Once you click on the blank report, you will land to this screen. Okay. And this is the interface of Power BI. And let me explain step by step what are the things are available on this Power BI screen. This is like these options are quite familiar, like because if you are using Microsoft Excel, then like it is very easy to understand these options, because here it is like Excel has a tab. Here it is Power BI has a similar tab: home, insert, modeling, view, optimize. These are the tabs available, and every tab has their options, so it is displayed in a ribbon. This section called is ribbon. So this is home tab ribbon. If I click on insert tab, this is the insert tab ribbon. We are having different options inside the insert tab. And this is a file menu where we can save your file. Also, it will help you to export your data in different format, and you can check it out your sign in options and all these options inside file menu. And the next one, okay, the next one here it is. You can see that I already told you there are different views inside the Power BI. Here it is first report view. Report view, here you can see this is also called a report view, or this is also called a canvas. There is a two name. We can say this is a report view zone, or we can say this is a canvas basically. So canvas where we can create our dashboards, we can create we can add our visuals, we can add our KPIs, we can build our dashboard impact. Okay, so this is called canvas. And inside report view, if you click on report view, you will get this particular options, because we haven't add any data over here. So that's why Power BI allow you to and like recommend you basically add your data first, right? And then only you can see something and you can prepare some report over here. Next, there is a table view. If you click on the table view, you will able to see the entire whatever the data you have imported inside from it is maybe it is from SQL, or maybe it is from CSV PDF. So whatever the data you have imported in your particular Power BI, this particular Power BI file, it will be displayed over here in a table format. So this is a table view. You can have a look of data inside your Power BI in a table view. You don't have to open that Excel file or PDF file to see your data in a table view again. Power BI will allow you to see that imported data in a table view format. And there is again next one, that is a modeling view. Here it is the third one. Modeling view help you to build connectivity between data, that I already told you what is the use of Power Pivot, and the Power Pivot is another word like modeling view, model view. Inside model view, you can create a connectivity between different tables, and that will allow you to fetch data from multiple tables. And the next one that is newly added inside the updated Power BI, that is the DAX query. You can run your DAX functions from here also. It will help you to apply your DAX quickly, and also help you to like understand your DAX in a proper way. So DAX query is also available here. Also, there is a formula bar available, but it is not displayed currently. If you add any DAX, if you want to add any DAX particular, and if you are going to add it with the help of measure or calculator formula, then only you will able to see the formula bar here. But right now it is not there. But later on, I'm going to explain about the formula bar too. So I told you about this. These are the things. This is what report view, table view, model view, and the DAX query. And the next one, that is what this is canvas, and this is the area of page navigation area. So we can navigate our page. We can add few pages like plus, plus, plus. We can add more pages. We can delete the pages. We can rename the pages. Like as we working on a Microsoft Excel, you know that uh, uh, in Microsoft Excel, we can add multiple sheets. We can delete it. We can rename it. And these are the things we can do similarly with similarly in Power BI too. So this is the options we can navigate. And also there is like view, basically desktop layout. You can see this particular whatever the visuals you have created your in a desktop view, as well as you can see in a model view, mobile view, I mean to say, sorry, mobile view. So you will able to see your report in a two different views. Okay, so yeah, that's about this particular things. And let's move to the right section of the screen of Power BI. Here it is, you will able to see three different kinds of pane. The one is filter panes. This is called a filter pane. This is not a dialog box. Always remember, this is a pane, not PEN, PANE. It's pane. Okay. So PANE pane. The filters pane is available here. If you want to apply a particular filter on a particular visual, so you can apply from here. Okay, I'll show you how to do it. But I just want to minimize it because it is taking too much space. And if it's not required, you just click on this particular arrows, it will be contracted, or we can say minimize. Okay, you can minimize it. Now there is again next pane, that is visual pane. We can call it visual pane, and you can call it as a visualization pane. Okay, visualization pane allow you to add visuals, like different visuals are given over there. Also there are some paid visuals, you can go for it also. Microsoft has also given you options over here, get more visual, where you can find out more paid visuals also. Okay, and you can minimize from here also. There is again one more pane, that is data pane. Whatever the tables that you have added inside your Power BI, that will, like all the table and their field will be displayed here. But currently we are not having any table inside the Power BI. That's why it asks you to get data. You haven't loaded any data, so click on get data. So there are different options to get data in your Power BI. Here it is one option. Here it is another option. You can access these are the most frequently used options, or most frequently access options. That's why Power BI is given on the top. This is the you can import data from Excel, SQL, or you can page data directly, or you can get the sample data inside. Power BI has a sample data also if you don't have a data. And then again, if you click on the home tab, you will get similar option over here, get data. So we are having like three different locations to import your data inside the Power BI. You can import from here on this particular home tab, and here it is data group, and you can import from here, and you can import from here. Okay. And this is data pane. Again, you can minimize and maximize this. So this is about the introduction of Power BI. You just take the screenshot of this. Already I have just given you a screenshot, given you a like proper notes of this particular Power BI desktop user interface. Okay. So got it. Just put down the G inside the chat section. Got it, sir. Just put down G inside. Got it, sir. Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. So now, yeah, I can see a lot of people dropping. Yes. So I'm going to share a practice file link, means the notes that I'm going to provide you right now. Just go ahead and download it. Here it is, the notes link. I'm going to giving inside the chat section. I'm going to give you inside the chat section, guys. Let me show you. If you, yeah, here it is, the lesson one. Just click on this three dot and download it. I have given a notes inside the chat section. Come on, guys, download it now. Yeah, here it is inside the notes, because whatever I have shown you on screen right now, it is available inside this particular lesson folder. And I have shared that link inside the chat section. Go ahead and download it. Here it is, Power BI introduction PDF. And also I have given a data, because I just want you to download this data inside your Excel, because tomorrow we are going to see how we can import this data inside the Power BI, and how to transform this data in order to make analysis, and how to transform this data inside the Power BI. So tomorrow we are going to see that one. So today we just finished our today's session, that Yes, this is just interface, and this is just the introduction. We can see introduction of Power BI. Now, let me tell you, tomorrow at 12 noon, I'll jump to the next session. But before that, you need to like sit with your laptop along with me and practice along with me and download this Excel file for tomorrow's preparations. And thank you very much for joining today's session, guys. And let me know how it was. It was like good, or it was best, or what you can say. Great. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your, yeah. And I can see everyone join here with their energy. And thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much. So now stay tuned with same kind of energy on every day. I want you to put your effort to learn Power BI, because yeah, I'm going to teach everything, each and everything, but your effort is equally important, guys. And if you are putting equal effort, then only you will be one day you will be expert in Power BI. Yeah, definitely you will be expert. Also, if you finish this particular course of Power BI online batch, then we will provide you a certificate, guys. And this is absolutely free certificate. We are not going to charge any single penny from you guys. Okay. So we are going to give you a free certificate of Microsoft Power BI live batch you have attended. And also I'm going to give you some projects, assignments timely to make you expert inside the Power BI, because you guys are interested and you guys are learning from me, and I am also interested to teach you guys. Thank you. Thank you so much. No problem. Those who are not able to like attend any of these sessions will get a recording on their particular, because you have joined the first lessons. So I ensure that you are very serious about it. So we are going to send you the recording to you guys. If you are not able, if you are not able to attend any of these sessions in the future, sometimes you may be missed. So don't worry. Okay. Thank you, Trishna Ghosh. Thank you very much for joining today's session. Thank you to my team who coordinate with me. Like, yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for your love and support. And one more announcement I would like to tell you. If you really want to learn in English videos, learn from English videos, I mean to say, you just go ahead and check my Satish Dhawale English channel. I'll just share with you a link in the description. I have uploaded a few videos on it, which will be in English, and I'm going to create few more videos related to like Power BI, SQL, and so many other videos. So go ahead and check this channel, guys. I've just put down a link in the description. So just check it out, subscribe, and watch that videos. So it will definitely help you to prepare for interviews. Right now I have 7 videos on this particular channel, but in future I'm going to upload more. And kindly share with your friend circle, those who want to learn basically Microsoft Excel, Power BI, SQL, and these are the things from me. So they will definitely get some benefit from this channel, definitely. Okay. Also, I'm providing practice file relevant to that. So with that being said, I'm going to close today's session, and thank you very much from my heart. Basically, you join it and you love it. That's why I also love it to teach you guys. Bye bye. Take care and see you tomorrow. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Have a great day.